Many parents have questions about what they should be doing to prepare their student for college admissions. Today, we're going to break this down year by year for you to cover what you should be doing to prep for college. Before we jump into it, be sure to like, follow, and comment if you enjoyed this video. And make sure to check out our other Tenney Tube videos here, where we answer common questions parents might have about credit recovery. While our path in life is not predetermined by our choice of college and area of study, for many students, the choice of college and major is the most important decision of their life before the age of 20. For better or for worse, a student's university and major will determine their options at the start of their professional career. We think it's best to have as many options open to you as possible as you approach this decision. Today, we'll break down how you should be prepping for college as you go through your high school years. The most important thing that you can do your freshman year is to establish sound study habits. Good study habits will lead to good grades, which will give you the most options for college admission. Beyond that, students should select extracurricular activities of interest and pursue them with purpose. This could be athletic, artistic, or even job and nonprofit activities. There will certainly be time to change activities later, but students should start to pursue extracurriculars as freshmen. Take this opportunity to sit for the PSAT 8/9 and become familiar with college entrance exam and the College Board and their accounts. The sophomore year is a year where you need to continue to focus on earning good grades and revisit your extracurricular decisions. Students can be driving this year and activities may change. This will be the first year for you to sit for the PSAT NMSQT, which will start to give you a better feel for where your test scores will be for college entrance. This is a good year to continue college visits and narrow down your target schools. The junior year will be your hardest academic year. Make sure you're taking an appropriate number of advanced placement classes and/or dual enrollment classes to challenge yourself. This will also be the last year that colleges will see on your transcript for fall admissions decisions. This is your last year to take the PSAT NMSQT, and this will give students an idea of how well they will perform on the SAT. And very top students will receive scholarships based off this test. You should continue to narrow down colleges and majors and continue your college visits. Make sure you know whether the schools you are targeting are test required, test optional, or test blind. By now, you should also consider the ACT versus the SAT. Decide which will be your focus and prepare for that test accordingly. Your applications will begin to open in the spring of your junior year. The Common App, you can begin early, but it opens officially on August 1st. Senior year is the year that you need to pursue leadership in your extracurricular activities. You should be completing your applications in the fall and sending them into your selected schools. Make sure you send applications to both SAFTEY schools and target schools. Decide whether you also want to apply to a REACH school. Even if you're not required to declare a major yet, make sure you have a good idea of what your major will be so that you can make sure you select courses accordingly. Once you've completed your application, make sure you put in for any available scholarships. Students and parents will also need to complete the FAFSA to be considered for scholarships and financial aid. Make sure you know which schools you're applying for early decision and action, which schools you're going to wait for the regular decision period. The college admissions process can be daunting. We hope this Tenney Tube has demystified it a little bit and helped you find a focus for your years of high school that you're in. With that being said, I'd like to thank you for tuning in to today's episode of Tenney Tube. If you enjoyed this episode, be sure to give us a like, comment, and subscribe for more info from the Tenney School. Also, be sure to hit that bell icon to be notified anytime we go live with a new video. See you on the next one.